Good afternoon. My name is Tom Bernsonoff, certified master mechanic from Reading, Pennsylvania. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to get rid of the governor in your car. Now, unfortunately, in the past 10, 15 years, the vehicle manufacturers out there for safety reasons put what they call rev limiters in them, governors, if you would. The correct term would be rev limiter. They've made it to the point that you cannot tamper with them. They are electronically controlled through the computer, and unfortunately there is no way to get in there and reprogram it so you can over-rev the vehicle. They do that for your own protection, so you don't actually destroy the engine and end up actually hurting yourself. The safety standards that they started making over the last 10, 15 years has been for general public safety, and unfortunately there is no way to actually get in there and change the ranges of what you can do. Unfortunately, the way they have them designed right now, even at full throttle, when it hits a certain RPM, it will start cutting the engine back, and there's really not much you can do about it. Just like I said, for safety reasons, unfortunately, they are tamper-proof. But for general purposes of just getting rid of the governor on your vehicle, I'm sorry to say, but it can't be done.